Good morning, friends. I am so happy that it's Friday because that means we made it through our week of remote learning and we get to come back to school together on Monday after the weekend. So take out your reading packet with a pencil, please. Your reading packet says Friday. And it looks like this. Look at those yummy cups, mugs of hot cocoa. We could use that today. It's cold today. So when you're ready, we're going to take a couple notes on the front here that will help you with your assignment today, okay? Because today our learning topic is the difference between verbs and nouns, okay? It's been a while since we've done this, but you have learned this before. So watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to split it right down the middle. You guys like to do that in class. Go ahead and split your paper right down the middle with your pencil, okay? And on this side, I'm going to make a heading that says nouns and circle it. Nouns, N-O-U-N-S. And on the other side, I'm going to write verbs and circle it. Okay, you can pause the video right now if you want to, so you can catch up to make sure you have that written. And when you're ready, press play again, okay? So let's talk about what nouns are, okay? Think in your head, what is a noun? And if you have a grown-up there with you, you can share with them what it is to be a noun, okay? I'm going to pretend I'm choosing someone with their hand up to tell me what a noun is. And I know if I picked on you, you would say that a noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. Okay. I know that most of you probably remembered that from before remote learning, okay? So take a minute, pause if you have to, and go ahead and write down those notes for what a noun is, because that will help you when you do your worksheet, okay? When you're ready, press play, and let's go over to the verb side. Who can tell me what a verb is? If you have a grown-up at home that you can tell, or if you have a bunny at home, Rich, or any other pet, or a stuffy, you could tell them what a verb is, okay? A verb is an action word. An action word means something you can do. So let's just put this. You can do it. Okay? It's an action word and you can do it. It's something you can do. Okay? Can you desk? Can you desk for me? No, you cannot. So desk would be a noun because it's a thing. Okay, let's practice a few. I'll say a word and you shout out if it's a noun or a verb. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Turtle. Turtle is a noun because it's an animal. How about jump? You're right. Jump is a verb because it's something you can do. Okay? What about drive? I tried to trick you there because some of you might say, it's not a verb, I can't drive. But guess what? If it's something someone can do, if it's an action, Mom can drive her car, then yes, it is a verb. Okay? What about Miss Sherry? Noun or verb, Miss Sherry? You're right. It's a person. She's a person, so it's a noun. Okay? Go ahead and turn to this page, and I will give you the directions, and then you'll be on your own to do it. The directions say, oh my gosh, and Miss actually forgot something in her lesson. Noun, verb, or adjective. Okay, you're going to color the nouns blue and the verbs red and the adjectives purple. Let's go back. Actually, no, let's stay right here. We have our notes on the front page about a noun or a verb. I forgot adjective. So watch this, guys. See the word adjective right here? I'm going to circle it. And I'm going to make an arrow pointing up here. Okay? And we're going to do very quickly just some little hints here on which is which, okay? So an adjective was sort of new to us right before we went remote. An adjective was something that describes something. So if I describe Evelyn, I could say she is smart, okay? If I describe Declan, I could say he is sweet. If I describe Sophia, I could say she is tall, okay? So an adjective is a word that describes. So please go ahead and write the word describes for adjective, and you can pause if you need to. When you're ready to hit play, let's circle the word verb and make an arrow pointing up. Even if you just draw a line pointing up, you don't need to do an arrow. Let's put action. Okay. Now, pause if you need to, and start it back when you're ready. For noun, let's go over here. I wonder if we could do a little shortcut. We already wrote person, place, thing, or animal on the front. I wonder if we just put the first letter for each of those words, if that would be enough to help you do your assignment. I think it would. So watch what I'm going to put over here. I'm going to go P for person, P for place, T for thing, and A for animal. So every time you look at noun and you come over here, you're going to say, oh, it's a person, place, thing, or animal. Okay, and if you don't remember, just go back to the front page, okay? So I'm going to read and color the nouns blue, the adjectives purple, the verbs red. Let's do a couple together. Mug. Well, let's try it out. Does mug describe something? Do I say, oh, Darren is so mug? No, that doesn't make sense. Is it a verb? Can you mug for me? Nope. Is it a noun? Is it a person, place, thing, or animal? Yes, it's a thing. So mug would be blue for noun. What about the next one? Shiny. Shiny, if I say, let's check if it's an adjective. Does it describe something? If I say that mirror is shiny, does that make sense? It does, because you can't shiny for me. And it's not a person, place, thing, or animal. So shiny would be purple for adjective. Okay, let's skip over to this one and do one more together. Run. Does it describe something? Do I say, Eric, you are so run today? No. Is it an action? Can you run? Can Eric run? Yes, he can. Very fast. So that is a action word, run. That's your verb. Okay? Next page. You're just going to color all the hats with nouns. So let's go to the top and do that thing again. Let's go person, place, thing, animal. So when you're going to color your hats, you can say cold. Is cold a person? A place? A thing? It's not a thing if you can't pick it up. Can you pick up a cold? No. Or an animal? No. Next one, toys. Is toys a person? A place? A thing? Yes, it is. So you would color in toys. You only color in the nouns. Last page. This you can do on your own. It is your spelling words. Color mask white, felt yellow, went red, and walk green, ask blue. Okay, that's it for your reading lesson for today. And the next time we have reading class, we will hopefully be together on Monday. Have a good weekend, have fun, play outside, read some books, and I will talk to you later. Bye.